Really is a fantastic scheme, that, isn't it? It really does look good. I'm not too good at my scale aircraft identification, so what is this?
It's a FOKKER D7.
D7, okay. 3-channel, is that right? Or is it ailerons as well?
No ailerons.
No ailerons. Right, so rudder and elevator.
But although it's rudder only, it's got quite a lot of dihedral,
right.
More than scale dihedral, and that's what allows it to turn so easily.
Yeah, it's so smooth.
It is a very smooth car, yeah. I know the point of the lake.
How long would you say it took you to build this one?
At zero, it came ready built.
Oh, you bought it off someone else, did you?
No, it's a ready-made model.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh.
It literally is, you take it out the box.
Okay. Who makes this then?
A company called Aries.
Aries.
But yeah,
Wow.
they're sold by a number of the usual suppliers on the internet.
Yep.
This particular one comes with a high-tech receiver.
Yep.
It actually came with its own transmitter, which is rather a toy transmitter, but since I fly high-tech for my outdoor models, it was very convenient because I can just find
it across to your main...
transmitter.
Right, yeah.
So have you travelled far to shoot this event?
I'm from down in Hampshire.
Oh, right.
So only an hour away. But, worth the effort when you get to see things like this.
Yeah, yes. Unfortunate to live locally because I'm part of the Wycombe Club who's organised this event jointly with Micro Aces. But we have our own indoor flying sessions here once a month during winter.
Right, yeah. It's a fantastic hall, isn't it, for that?
Yes.
Nice and big.
We don't always have the full size of the hall.
Oh, you don't? Okay.
The hall divides into 3 sections. For club evenings, we usually just use 2 sections, but that's still plenty big enough for these little models.
Yeah. This is a luxury to have the whole thing.
It is, yes. It's almost too big because we're model of that
goes out of sight the other end.
model with that colour against those blue walls, the camouflage starts to take effect.
If I didn't have zoom, it would be testing my eyesight.
Yeah. Trying to get set up, and then I'll come round the next circle. We'll do a landing.
Okay. Thought you were going through his legs there. That'd be some skill.
Now, when it's going that slowly, the
ground
rudder loses
control.
effect and
Yeah,
they
yeah, yeah.
haven't got very good control on the ground.
Brilliant. Thanks very much for that.
Ready for a bit more?